Hey guys, my name is Leah Simone Cole, and today I'm back with another video doing clip-ins. So what you will need is your hair, which is in my bonnet, and wait for it, flat iron, your hair, of course, a hair tie, and a rat tail comb, and of course your hair that was in the bonnet. I got my hair from DFX Hair. It's pretty good, inexpensive hair. So I made clip-ins with that today. I got 22 inches, 20 and an 18. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair in the back. The best thing about clip-ins is that you can take them out anytime you want. So what I do is section off my hair, wrap the top up, and I flat iron like starting in the center of the hair because you want your roots to be a little bit kinky or in its natural state in order for the clip-ins to stay snug onto the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the bottoms. I don't really use the chase method, especially not my short hair. So now taking a clip in and making sure it's nice and brushed out. That body wave is really nice. I have a 3-prong clip in. I'm going to start off with in the back. Making sure all of them is unsnapped and putting it on the back of my head. Jamming out a little bit. Because you know, when you do your hair, ladies, you just have your music on, you just be jamming. So now lifting that up and creating the other part, I'm going to go ahead and put the other 3-prong clip in the back of my head. Making sure that's good and secure. And I started off the other part because I did fast forward this a bit. I didn't want to go ahead and show you guys like the whole process because it can take some time. And just brushing that out to make it blend good. I feel like with each part I brush my hair is a force of habit. So yeah, now going back in and just creating the other part because basically the clip is it's part flat iron clip, part flat iron clip. You can flat iron your hair before, but that might make you as a force of habit just to flat iron your hair really good. Then the clips won't stay in as good. The only part you're worried about is if you had a sew-in before, which is basically braids with tracks sewed down on your hair, you'll have leave out. So the leave out is through the whole head, and you want the bottom half of your hair to stay straight if that's the desired look you're going for. I have body wear, so I'm making it straight for it to blend nice. Then when you get to the top, you want them roots to be straight. That way it blends it with the look all the way because you want basically your roots to be a little bit wavy so your hair can stay with the clip-ins, if you know what I'm saying. This is really for people that if you have clip-ins or if you want to get clip-ins and if you're not so sure about how to get it, I mean, all you really got to do is know how to part your hair and flat iron it to a good extent to make it blend. And honestly, I keep my hair a short length to get it to blend. Like, I'm letting my hair grow out, of course, but you do definitely have to keep your hair trimmed to get these to blend in as good as possible because if not, your hair just might fail. But I really feel like that's with any hairstyle. Like, you shouldn't have a sew-in without your hair being trimmed because if you have leave out, it just looks so crazy. So, yeah. So going ahead and just brushing that out again because the hair is long and you want to make sure it's straight. That one little part was on my nerves, so I had to push it back. But yeah, the whole rundown of like clip-ins is just pretty simple. And ladies, if you have any questions, just comment down below in the comment section. Just go ahead and get my legs together. Sometimes when I record these videos, my legs fall asleep. Even when I be jamming. I'm not sure what I was dancing to. I was listening to a lot that day. So just getting the other little clip-ins in order. I think that's a 4-prong clip-in. And you can get the prongs. You can get the 30 needle from your local hair store. If not, everything is pretty much on Amazon as far as the clip-ins and needle and thread for when you make your clip-ins. And the stuff is pretty inexpensive as well. Just, I mean, I don't really think there's no such thing as bad clips. You want to get the ones that snap. This is basically the whole point of clip-ins is to get some good clips so it stays in here. You don't want nobody to like be able to come and pull it out like they're supposed to be really good and secure. And honestly, the way I keep up with them is like in the beginning, I showed it in a bonnet that I don't really use every night. I have my own separate bonnet for my head, and then I have a bonnet for the clip-ins, of course. So I take them out, brush them, and then make sure they stay nice. So now I'm just going to go ahead and get to the top part that I was talking about with the mouth sleeve out to make sure that blends in right. I'm going to go ahead and part off my hair and make sure that's straight by sectioning it off. So Toni Braxton. I seriously don't know what's wrong with me, but yeah, I mean, Toni on makes the jam out. So I like to have my hair full, so I was looking for a second, like, oh my god, I didn't realize I made this much clip-ins. I only used really about 2.5 bundles, so like I only used half of the 18, but I did use all of the 20 and 22 inches. Just making sure that everything is nice and thick and flattering, because this is just me and M messing with my hair, jamming out to Keyshia Cole in the end. Yes, you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.